Your BMW is bleeding money every month. Another $500 repair bill, another tow truck, another breakdown that could have been prevented. But what if there were proven secrets that could save you thousands and make your BMW last over 300,000 miles? Number 10. Believing lifetime. Fluids are forever. This is the number one most expensive mistake BMW owners make, and it's costing you thousands. BMW has labeled fluids like transmission fluid, differential fluid, and power steering fluid as lifetime. This isn't engineering. It's marketing designed to sell you a new car when these components fail. According to Consumer Reports investigations and class action lawsuit documentation, BMW's lifetime fluids are engineered to last through the warranty period, not your car's actual lifetime. The reality is, these fluids break down over time, and failing to change them every 60,000 to 80,000 miles causes premature component wear. Here's what really happens when you believe the lifetime fluid myth. Your transmission fluid becomes acidic and starts eating internal seals. Your differential fluid turns into sludge that destroys expensive gears. Your power steering fluid breaks down and ruins your rack and pinion system. The real maintenance schedule BMW doesn't want you to know. Change transmission fluid every 60,000 miles for $300, or pay $4,000 for transmission rebuild. Change differential fluid every 50,000 miles for $150, or pay $2,500 for differential replacement. Change power steering fluid every 40,000 miles for $100, or pay $1,200 for rack replacement. Independent BMW specialist data shows that cars with regular fluid changes have transmission and differential failure rates 90% lower than those following BMW's lifetime recommendations. This single mistake alone can cost you over $10,000 in unnecessary repairs. Number 9. Ignoring a coolant leak. BMW cooling systems are a well-known weak point, and ignoring even a small leak leads to complete engine destruction. This mistake turns a $200 repair into an $8,000 catastrophe that happens faster than you think. According to Consumer Reports and extensive BIMR post-forum documentation, cooling system failure is the number one cause of BMW engine death. The plastic components, water pump, thermostat housing, expansion tank, and hoses become brittle with age and heat cycles, then crack without warning. Here's the deadly progression most BMW owners experience. You notice a small puddle under your car, maybe just a few drops of coolant. You think it's no big deal and keep driving. The leak gets progressively worse, but your temperature gauge still reads normal because there's enough coolant to fool the sensor. Then one day, the system fails catastrophically. Your engine overheats in minutes. Aluminum cylinder heads warp from the extreme heat. Head gaskets blow from thermal stress. In the worst cases, the engine block itself cracks, requiring complete engine replacement. What started as a simple $200 water pump replacement becomes $8,000 to $15,000 in engine work. BMW Master Technician data shows that proactive cooling system replacement at 80,000 miles prevents 95% of these overheating disasters. Replace the water pump, thermostat, expansion tank, and upper and lower hoses as a complete system for $800 to $1,200. Number 8. Neglecting oil leaks. A leaking valve cover gasket or oil pan gasket might seem like just an annoyance, but ignoring these leaks causes far more expensive damage throughout your BMW's engine bay. This oversight can multiply your repair costs by 10 times. Oil leaks are incredibly common on older BMWs, and many owners ignore them thinking they're just cosmetic issues. However, according to RepairPal data and BMW specialist reports, oil leaks cause secondary damage that's far more expensive than the original gasket repair. Here's what happens when you ignore oil leaks. The leaked oil drips onto crucial plastic and rubber components, like belts, hoses, and engine mounts. Over time, the oil breaks down these materials, causing them to crack, split, and fail prematurely. A $300 valve cover gasket repair becomes a $1,500 job, when you also need to replace oil-soaked belts, hoses, and engine mounts. The leaked oil can also damage the alternator, power steering pump, and other expensive components mounted below the leak point. BMW forum data shows that addressing oil leaks immediately prevents 80% of secondary component failures. The cost difference is dramatic. Fix a $300 gasket leak now, or pay $2,000 plus for all the components it destroys later. Consumer Reports confirms that deferred maintenance on oil leaks is one of the most expensive mistakes BMW owners make. Number 7. Not replacing the PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation valve is a $15 part that prevents $8,000 in engine damage, but it's the most overlooked maintenance item on BMWs. When this small component fails, it creates a domino effect of expensive failures throughout your engine. The PCV valve system regulates internal engine pressure by allowing crankcase gases to escape. According to Consumer Reports and BMW forum data, when the PCV valve fails, excessive pressure builds up inside the engine, literally blowing out gaskets and seals throughout the system. Here's how to check if your PCV valve is failing right now. Remove the oil filler cap while the engine is running. If you feel strong suction pulling air into the engine, your PCV system is working properly. If you feel pressure pushing out or no suction at all, your PCV valve has failed and is destroying your engine seals as you drive. PCV failure is the root cause of 60% of BMW oil leak problems. The excessive pressure forces oil past every seal in the engine: valve oil cover gaskets, oil pan gaskets, rear main seal, and transmission input shaft seal. What starts as a $15 part failure becomes thousands in gasket and seal replacements. BMW master technician Robert Bentley from Pelican Parts states, "I've seen $15 PCV valves cause $10,000 in engine damage. It's the most overlooked maintenance item on BMWs. Replace it every 60,000 miles, and your BMW will reward you with leak-free operation for life." Number 6. Stretching oil change intervals. BMW recommends 10,000 to 15,000 mile oil change intervals, but following this schedule is engine suicide. This recommendation is designed to get you through warranty, not to make your engine last 300,000 miles like it was engineered to do. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive documentation on BMWpost forums, BMWs that follow 5,000-mile oil change intervals with full synthetic oil regularly hit 250,000 plus miles. Those that follow BMW's 10,000-mile recommendation typically need engine replacements at 120,000 miles. Here's the science behind why shorter intervals are critical. BMW's turbocharged engines run at extremely high temperatures for efficiency. This heat breaks down oil much faster than in naturally aspirated engines. Extended intervals cause oil sludging, carbon buildup, and VANOS system failure. When the VANOS variable valve timing system fails from dirty oil, you're looking at $2,500 to $4,000 in repairs. The oil sludge also clogs oil passages, starving critical engine components of lubrication and causing premature bearing wear and potential engine seizure. Master BMW technician Mike Miller from Pelican Parts confirms, "Every high-mileage BMW I see follows the 5,000-mile rule religiously. It's the difference between a car that lasts and a car that dies young. The extra cost is minimal, about $100 more per year in oil changes, but the repair savings are massive." Number 5. Using the wrong fluids. Not all coolants and oils are created equal, and using generic fluids in your BMW causes chemical reactions that lead to expensive internal damage. This mistake destroys engines even when you're diligent about maintenance intervals. BMW engines are designed with specific material properties in mind. According to J.D. Power reliability studies and BMW's internal engineering data, using non-approved fluids causes seal failure, internal corrosion, and component damage at 3 times the normal rate. Here's what happens when you use the wrong oil specification. BMW requires LL01 approved oil with specific viscosity modifiers and detergent packages designed for aluminum engines and tight tolerances. Generic oil, even expensive synthetic brands, lacks these critical additives and causes accelerated wear on precision-engineered components. Using the wrong coolant is equally destructive. BMW coolant has specific anti-corrosion additives that prevent galvanic corrosion between aluminum and steel components. Generic coolant causes internal corrosion that leads to cooling system failures and engine overheating. Consumer Reports data shows that BMWs using correct fluid specifications have 40% fewer engine problems over 150,000 miles. The cost difference is minimal, about $20 more per oil change and $30 more per coolant change. But using the wrong fluids can cost you thousands in premature engine replacement. Number 4. Ignoring a check engine light. A check engine light can indicate something simple like a loose gas cap, but it can also warn of major underlying problems that will destroy your engine if ignored. The cost of diagnostic neglect far exceeds the price of proper diagnosis. According to RepairPal data, the average BMW diagnostic fee is $150 to $200, which seems expensive until you consider the cost of ignoring the warning. Many BMW owners drive for months with check engine lights on, thinking they're saving money by avoiding the diagnostic fee. Here's what happens when you ignore check engine lights. Minor problems like failing oxygen sensors cause the engine to run rich, which destroys the catalytic converter, a $2,500 replacement. Ignition coil failures cause misfires that can damage pistons and valves. Vano system problems lead to timing issues that can bend valves and destroy the engine. The check engine light is your BMW's way of telling you something is wrong before it becomes catastrophic. Early diagnosis and repair typically costs $200 to $500. Ignoring the warning until major failure occurs can cost $5,000 to $15,000 in engine work. BMW Forum data shows that owners who address check engine lights immediately have 70% fewer major engine failures. The diagnostic fee is cheap insurance compared to the cost of engine replacement. Consumer Reports confirms that deferred diagnosis is one of the most expensive mistakes BMW owners make. Number 3. Forgetting to change belts and pulleys. On many BMW engines, a failed serpentine belt isn't just an inconvenience, it's a catastrophic failure that can destroy your entire engine in seconds. This overlooked maintenance item can turn a $200 service into a $15,000 engine replacement. BMW engines use interference designs where pistons and valves occupy the same space at different times. When the serpentine belt fails, it can get sucked into the engine's front main seal area, causing the timing chain to jump or fail entirely. Here's what happens during catastrophic belt failure. The shredded belt material gets pulled into the timing chain area, jamming the chain and causing it to skip timing. When timing jumps on an interference engine, pistons hit valves at full compression, bending valves and potentially cracking pistons. The damage happens in milliseconds, but takes thousands to repair. Bent valves require cylinder head removal and complete valve train replacement. Damaged pistons require engine disassembly and rebuild. What started as routine belt maintenance becomes complete engine reconstruction. According to BMW specialist data, belt and pulley replacement every 60,000 miles prevents 95% of catastrophic timing failures. The service costs $200 to $400, but prevents $10,000 to $15,000 in engine damage. Pelican Parts technical data shows this is one of the most critical preventive maintenance items BMW owners overlook. Number 2. Going too long on spark plugs and ignition coils. Failing spark plugs and ignition coils cause misfires that put unburnt fuel into your exhaust system, leading to catalytic converter meltdown, one of the most expensive repairs on any BMW. This deferred maintenance mistake can cost you $3,000 in a single failure. BMW's high-performance engines put tremendous stress on ignition components. According to Consumer Reports and BMW technical bulletins, spark plugs and ignition coils have specific service intervals that must be followed to prevent expensive secondary damage. Here's the destructive chain reaction that occurs with worn ignition components. Failing spark plugs cause incomplete combustion, sending raw fuel into the exhaust system. This unburnt fuel overheats the catalytic converter, causing the internal substrate to melt and clog the exhaust system. A melted catalytic converter doesn't just need replacement. It sends debris throughout the exhaust system, potentially damaging oxygen sensors, exhaust valves, and even the turbocharger on forced induction engines. The repair cascade can easily exceed $5,000. BMW forum data shows that replacing spark plugs every 60,000 miles and ignition coils every 80,000 miles prevents 90% of catalytic converter failures. The preventive maintenance costs $400 to $600, but prevents thousands in exhaust system damage. RepairPal confirms that ignition system neglect is a leading cause of expensive BMW repairs. Number 1. Skipping the pre-purchase inspection. For used BMWs, skipping a pre-purchase inspection by a specialist mechanic is the biggest gamble you can take. This $200 to $300 inspection can save you from buying a $50,000 nightmare disguised as a $25,000 bargain. A thorough pre-purchase inspection uncovers the hidden problems that sellers don't disclose and generic mechanics miss. According to Consumer Reports, the average used BMW has $3,000 to $5,000 in deferred maintenance that isn't obvious to untrained eyes. Here's what a proper BMW PPI reveals that can save you thousands. Cooling system component condition and upcoming failures. VANOS, system operation and internal wear. Transmission and differential service history. Hidden accident damage that affects reliability. Electrical system problems that cause expensive intermittent failures. Real example from a BMW specialist shop. A customer almost bought a 2015 BMW 335i for $28,000. The PPI revealed a failing high-pressure fuel pump, worn VANOS solenoids, overdue transmission service, and early signs of cooling system failure. Total upcoming repair cost, $6,500. Armed with this information, the buyer either negotiated the price down by the repair amount or walked away from a financial disaster. Without the PPI, he would have bought a car needing immediate major repairs. The $300 inspection fee saved him thousands and gave him negotiating power that more than paid for itself. These 10 mistakes separate BMW ownership dreams from financial nightmares. Following this advice will cost you about $2,500 per year in preventive maintenance, but ignoring it will cost you $5,000 to $10,000 per year in repairs, plus constant breakdowns and unreliability. According to Consumer Reports data, BMWs maintained using these principles have a 90% chance of reaching 200,000 plus miles without major engine or transmission problems. Your BMW is a precision machine that rewards respect and punishes neglect. Treat it like the engineering masterpiece it is, and it will serve you faithfully for decades.